Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to cut your fingernails off. Sorry if I sound weird today, stuffed up today, I have a cold. I got a cold from eating too much of old bologna, so hopefully the doctors will cure that sickness soon. Cutting your fingernails off is a huge craze with youngs and elders alike. Everybody's doing it and it's easy to see why. Cutting your fingernails all the way off makes your fingers completely rounded and smooth. It's only meat. The little nail part that's made out of bone or plastic or whatever is gone, and if you make sure your fingernails don't grow back, your fingerprints will start to extend past the tip of your fingers and wrap around the top of your finger. You'll have one big fingerprint on each finger that covers the top and bottom. How cool is that? Pretty cool, right? To cut your fingernails, just get a weird blue tool with a knife in it. Jam your finger in there as far as it'll go and press down with the other hand until you hear a loud click and feel a great deal of pain like this. God! Oh my God! Jesus Christ and God!